Do you want to know how you can log into your Royal Sundaram Mutual Fund account? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Royal Sundaram Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Royal Sundaram Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Sundaram Mutual Fund account, also known as Royal Sundaram. Go ahead and click on Investor Login, which you can see on the top right hand side. It will take you to this login portal where you can log in using your user ID or your PAN number. While you want to log in using your user ID, go ahead and write down your user ID in this box over here. Then move on to the second box, write down your password. In this one, look at your password by clicking on this I icon and then click sign in. This way you can successfully log into your Royal Sundaram Mutual Fund account using your user ID. If you want to log in with PAN, go ahead and click on it, write down your PAN number, click generate code, and then you can see that a mail will be sent to your email address, or you can receive an OTP and you can verify it, and then you can log in using PAN as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.